What's up? You're watching Pathway Coach, the show where sparks fly, quite literally.
Today, we're diving into machining and welding, where you don't just build things, you build careers.
This pathway is all about mastering the tools and machines that shape the world around us, like CNC machines, lathes, and high-powered welding gear.
You'll learn to cut, shape, and join metals down to 1/100th of an inch. Skills you use in industries like aerospace, automotives, and construction.
And it's not just practice for the sake of practice. You're creating real parts and structures that meet tight specs and high standards.
There's also the opportunity to earn 2 industry certifications, one in machining and one in welding. That's a double win.
And on top of that, you'll earn dual credit through Vincennes University. College credit, real-world skills, and career prep? Not bad.
This pathway sets you up for high-demand jobs with great pay, whether you go straight to work or keep leveling up in advanced manufacturing.
So if you like working with your hands, mastering machines, and creating things that last,
the machining and welding pathway could be your perfect fit.
hey, you know how to work these things?